Imagine sitting on a gold mine, a treasure trove of skills and interests that could potentially turn you into a millionaire. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Well, it's not just a fantasy. It's entirely possible, and it all starts with a side hustle. Side hustles, those ventures we embark on outside of our 9-to-5 jobs, have become an increasingly popular way for individuals to supplement their income and explore their passions. In the year 2024, the landscape is ripe for starting a side hustle from the comfort of your own home. Technological advancements have bridged gaps, bringing global markets right to our doorsteps. What's more, the shift in work dynamics, with more people working remotely than ever before, provides an unprecedented opportunity to balance a day job with a flourishing side hustle. Over the course of this video, we'll explore the potential of side hustles and how they can transform into a significant source of income, perhaps even a full-fledged business. We'll delve into identifying your unique skills and passions, researching and validating your side hustle idea, and setting up your venture. We'll also discuss strategies for growth and the vital balance between your side hustle, day job, and personal life. The journey to financial freedom is not easy, but it's within your reach. It requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But the rewards, they're worth the effort. Picture the satisfaction of generating income from something you love doing. Imagine the freedom that comes with financial independence. It's a journey that promises not only monetary rewards, but also personal growth and fulfillment. So, are you ready to unlock your millionaire potential? Are you ready to explore the treasure trove of skills and interests that could be your ticket to financial independence? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into how to identify your unique skills and passions that could be your ticket to financial freedom. The first step to creating a successful side hustle starts with you, your skills, your passions. Picture a side hustle as a fireplace. Your skills and passions are the sparks that light the fire. Without them, the fire can't start. And without the fire, there's no warmth, no light, no energy. So how do you identify these sparks? Your skills are the things you're good at, the tasks you can do with ease, the knowledge you've acquired over the years. They could be anything from writing, designing, programming, to gardening, cooking, or even organizing. Don't limit yourself to professional skills only. Your hobbies, pastimes, and talents are as valuable. Your passions, on the other hand, are the things you love doing, the activities that make your heart race, the issues you care about. They're the things you could talk about for hours, the activities you lose yourself in, the causes that stir your soul. To identify your skills and passions, start by asking yourself, what am I good at? What do I enjoy doing in my spare time? What topics do I find myself constantly reading or talking about? What causes or issues am I passionate about? To help with this process, there are numerous online resources and tools available for skill assessment and idea generation. Websites like Skillshare, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses to learn and improve skills. Platforms like Clarity.fm and Quora are great resources for generating ideas and getting insights from experts in various fields. Once you've identified your skills and passions, the next step is to find the intersection between them. This sweet spot is where your side hustle should lie. It's the place where what you're good at and what you love doing meet. It's the place where work feels less like work and more like play. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle lies in doing something you love and are good at. So take the time to discover your skills and passions. They are the sparks that will light the fire of your side hustle and keep it burning bright. So you've identified your skills and passions. Now, how do you turn them into a profitable venture? Well, let's dive into that. The next step on our journey is research and validation. This is where we ensure that our million-dollar idea is not just a spark of genius, but a viable business opportunity. The key is to identify whether there's a market for your product or service, and if it's something that people are willing to pay for. Start by performing online research. Use search engines, social media, and industry-specific websites to understand the current market landscape. Are there similar products or services available? What makes your idea unique or better? This is your chance to understand the competition and identify your unique selling proposition. Next, it's time to identify your target audience. Who are the people that would benefit most from your product or service? Are they young or old, tech-savvy or traditional, urban or rural? Understanding your target audience is crucial, as these are the people who will drive your business forward. Now comes the fun part, validating your idea. This is where you get to test whether your idea has legs. There are several ways to do this. Conduct surveys or interviews with potential customers. You could also create a prototype or a small-scale version of your product or service and gauge the response. Remember, feedback is your friend. It helps you refine your idea and align it more closely with your target audience's needs and wants. Don't be disheartened by negative feedback. Instead, see it as an opportunity to improve and evolve. At the end of this process, you'll have a clear understanding of the market, your competition, and your potential customers. You'll also have a validated idea that you can confidently build upon. This is the foundation upon which you can build a successful side hustle. By validating your idea, you ensure that your side hustle has a fighting chance in the market. So let's get out there, dig into the research, validate those million-dollar ideas, and turn that side hustle into a thriving business. Once you have a validated idea, it's time to set up your side hustle. But before you dive in head first, there are a few things to consider. First, let's talk about the legal side of things. Depending on what your side hustle is, you may need to register your business and obtain necessary licenses or permits. Do your research to ensure you're on the right side of the law. It might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Next, let's discuss your online presence. In this digital age, having a professional website and social media presence is a must. It's like your virtual storefront, where potential customers can learn about your products or services. Your website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and most importantly, it should reflect your brand. Speaking of brand, it's more than just a logo or a catchy name. It's about creating an identity that resonates with your target audience. So, think about what you want your brand to represent and how you want it to make people feel. Remember, people don't just buy products or services, they buy experiences and emotions. Now let's move on to goal setting. Having clear, measurable goals is crucial for your side hustle's success. It gives you a sense of direction and helps you stay focused. So, write down what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Lastly, create a business plan. It doesn't have to be a 50-page document. A simple one-page plan that outlines your business model, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections will suffice. Remember, setting up a side hustle is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of passion. But with careful planning and execution, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your side hustle. Now that you've set up your side hustle, it's time to grow it. First off, let's talk about marketing. In the digital age, social media marketing and content creation are your best friends. Create engaging posts, share your journey, and don't be afraid to show the person behind the brand. People connect with stories, so make sure yours is heard. Next, let's discuss customer service. It's not just about delivering a product or service, it's about creating an experience. Your reputation is built on every interaction, so ensure each one is positive. Respond promptly, listen to feedback, and always strive for excellence. Finally, let's tackle scaling. Start small, but dream big. As your side hustle grows, consider outsourcing tasks, automating processes, and perhaps even expanding your offerings. But remember, growth should be sustainable. Don't rush, take calculated steps. Remember, consistent growth is the key to turning your side hustle into a full-time venture. Balancing a side hustle with other responsibilities can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Let's be honest, juggling a day job, a side hustle, and personal life can feel like a high-wire act. The key? Time management and boundaries. Think of your time as a limited resource. Prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and don't be afraid to say no. Use tools and apps that can help streamline your work and allocate specific hours for your side hustle. Remember, a well-planned schedule can be your best ally. But what about work-life balance? It's essential. Burnout is real and can sneak up on you if you're not careful. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, ensure you're getting enough rest, and take time to unplug and enjoy life outside of work. Setting boundaries is just as important. Designate a workspace at home, separate from your relaxation area. This can help you switch off when it's time to relax. With the right balance, you can enjoy the fruits of your side hustle without compromising on your personal life. So, are you ready to start your journey to a millionaire side hustle? We've journeyed together, unlocking your potential, discovering your skills and passions, validating your ideas, setting up and growing your side hustle. It's been an exciting ride, hasn't it? It's time to put all the pieces of this puzzle together and embark on your own journey. Let's recap. First, we talked about unlocking your millionaire potential. You realized that you might be sitting on a gold mine, your skills and passions that can be monetized right from the comfort of your home. It's all about identifying what you love and are good at, then finding ways to monetize that. Next, we discovered your skills and passions. We delved into the importance of aligning your side hustle with what you truly enjoy and excel at. We also provided resources for skill assessment and idea generation. Remember, when you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. Then, we moved on to validating your million-dollar idea. We discussed the significance of market research and idea validation. We shared tips on conducting online research, analyzing competitors, identifying target audiences, and methods for validating your idea. This step is crucial to ensure the success of your venture. We also discussed setting up your side hustle. We provided a step-by-step guide for registering your business, creating a professional online presence, and setting goals. After that, we dove into growing your side hustle. We shared strategies for marketing your business, providing excellent customer service, building a positive reputation, and scaling your side hustle. It's all about continuous growth and improvement. Finally, we talked about balancing your side hustle with your day job and personal life. We shared time management tips and strategies for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. After all, your well-being is paramount. Remember, your skills and passions are your gold mine. Start digging, and who knows, you might just strike gold. Don't forget to subscribe and share your side hustle journey with us.